In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Suncorp App branches and ATMs near you, step by step. This guide will help you locate the nearest Suncorp banking facilities so you can easily access their services whenever you need. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser on your device, and in the address bar, type in the URL for the Suncorp Bank website, which is www.suncorpbank.com.au. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a range of options and features available to you as a Suncorp customer. Take a moment to explore the homepage if you want, although it's not necessary to proceed with locating branches and ATMs. Now you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. This is where you'll find the link you need. As you scroll, pay attention to the various sections of the site, as it might be useful for future reference. When you reach the footer area of the website, look for and click on the Locate Us link. This section is dedicated to helping you find the nearest physical locations of Suncorp branches and ATMs. After clicking the Locate Us link, you'll be taken to a new page that provides a search feature specifically for branch and ATM locations. Here, you'll have several options to tailor your search according to your needs. You can choose to search by entering specific details such as an address, state, or postcode if you have a particular location in mind. Alternatively, you can search by suburb if you're looking within a specific area. Take note of the search bar on the left side of the page. It's a central tool in refining your search. If you aren't sure of an exact address, don't worry. You can simply input a broader location parameter to start with. One helpful feature on this page is the option to use your current location to find the nearest facilities to where you are right now. You'll find this option right next to the search bar. By clicking on the button near your location, with your browser permissions enabled, the site will automatically pinpoint the nearest Suncorp branches and ATMs. Once your search details are inputted, the results will display on the map, showing you all available locations in your specified area. This is convenient whether you need to plan a visit or quickly find an ATM in a new environment. The map view provides an easy-to-navigate interface where you can zoom in and out to better explore your nearby options. And that's it. This straightforward process enables you to find Suncorp branches and ATMs with ease, allowing you to efficiently plan your bank visits or find an ATM on the go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy banking.